Knee pain, causes and remedies. Thanks to the knee joint, you can go upstairs, walk, run, and when it comes to movement, this is by far one of the most fundamental parts of the body, which is why it is common to sometimes experience certain pain, discomfort, inflammation, wear and tear. There can be various causes for knee pain. We will explain them below and give you some simple advice. Experiencing knee pain can happen at any age. A bruise, a ligament problem, or the beginning of arthritis can be the most common causes. What is for sure is that the pain can become paralyzing and affect your quality of life. It is essential to prevent it from happening with an active lifestyle and proper diet. But once the pain happens, you can stop it from happening with some simple advice. Let's take a look. What causes knee pain? Keep in mind that the knee is the biggest joint of the body. You carry out almost all daily movements with it. In order for it to have flexibility, you have complex structures that must always be in good shape: bones, cartilage, ligaments, muscles, and tendons. We will analyze what causes the pain in this part of the body. Does the pain happen after a wrong movement? Sometimes you can turn wrong on your knee, hit it, or a movement in which, suddenly, you feel a strong jerk, like a lash. If you have made an unexpected turn, you may have a meniscus injury. The pain in the knee will happen in a diffused way. After 24 hours, it will be at the most intense. You can have a ligament injury. If you feel pain and cannot put your leg on the ground, you may have an injury on one of the two ligaments that are inside the knee joint, which will take a long time to heal. Tendinitis and knee bursitis are also common in this type of injury from a wrong movement or impact. It is caused by inflammation of the bursa, which is a small sac full of liquid that acts as a pillow between the bone and muscles or tendons. Does the pain happen for no apparent reason? Arthrosis. This is due to wear and tear in the joint cartilage. The bones will scrape against each other and pain will happen during the most simple tasks like going upstairs, for example. This will be most intense at night. Unfortunately, there is no cure for arthrosis. The only thing you can do is ease it with drugs or natural remedies. Rheumatoid arthritis. This is a disease that affects the joints. It causes fatigue, malaise, pain, and even fever. It can appear suddenly and then disappear. The positive part about this reality is that it can be treated over time. Medication and even the replacement of knee cartilage can restore its functioning. But, your doctor should always be the one who tells you the best solution according to your case. Remedies to relieve knee pain. Vegetable oils. Olive oil is a good resource for relieving pain. It has anti-inflammatory properties and also allows stimulation of circulation. You can do a gentle massage twice a day with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then wrap your knee in gauze. Ice pack. This is an effective way to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. Just put a bag of ice cubes on your knee for 20 minutes, not longer than this or you will harm your skin. Wheat flour and turmeric remedy. You can make an anti-inflammatory paste with milk, wheat flour, castor oil, and turmeric powder. Get a half glass of hot water and put 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, a tablespoon of oil, and a pinch of turmeric in. Make sure the mixture is consistent and paste-like to apply it to your knee while it is still warm. This remedy will give you a lot of relief. Natural anti-inflammatories. There are foods that will reduce knee inflammation. If you follow a varied diet where these foods are included, it will help you a lot. It's necessary that your diet has a good amount of omega-3, in salmon, herring, sardines and chia seeds, linseed, broccoli, cranberries, goji berries, turmeric, pineapple, green tea. Other recommendations for knee health. Avoid gaining a lot of weight. Your knees suffer from obesity. Swimming is a great sport to make your knees resistant. If you suffer from knee arthrosis, avoid doing strenuous exercises like going for a run or biking for a long time. During periods of sharp pain, it is best to rest. Anti-inflammatory medication tends to have many side effects. If you have to resort to medication, acetaminophen is always better.